Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone and notification volume panel. Now just to unmute device ringtone, we should slide to the right side with our finger, this blue dot. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of our device. Then just click here on the settings icon, and to unmute device ringtone, just slide to the right side. Again this blue dot, and then confirm your action by click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.